Shenyang HDWYSY Mechanical Manufacture Company Limited has many years production and exporter experience. Owing to good service, variety of high-quality products, competitive factory prices, efficient delivery time, and the good after-sales team, we have become the leading manufacturer of barbecue products. The products include gas and charcoal barbecue lamb roasters, Cyprus barbecue rotisserie, Argentina BBQ V-grills, camping barbecues, barbecue motors, barbecue accessories and meat processing machine, mixer machine, packing clip machine, sausage stuffer machine. Our products are popular selling in North and South America, Europe, Australia, Africa, Saudi Arabia, Asia, and many other countries. All the export product specifications meet the standards of each country. We not only produce standard products, also provide OEM, ODM customized service. If you want to find supplier to produce as you request or add your own logo on products, then we are your best choice. All the products' quality are ensured. QC team strictly test and check all products before shipping. What we want is to bring your high-quality products with lowest competitive factory price. Our customer service team will help you analyze market and recommend the most suitable products, help you find the best ship agent to save your delivery cost. We have successfully helped lots of customers open their market and increase their sales. Welcome to contact us. Let us work together. We would like to be your one-stop purchasing faithful partner.